Hello! Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tobii Dynavox Communicator 5 software, and we're going to specifically be looking at how you would utilize the Speak button and My Phrases button for text-based users. So the My Phrases button is there to help users create a bank of phrases so that they don't have to type out each word one by one when they use a keyboard and predictive text function. So typically, to communicate in the Speak button, you type out your letters until you find the predictive word that you want, which gives you some good accuracy and the ability to type out whatever it is you need, but it also can be very time consuming. So if you have phrases that you use frequently throughout the day, or in certain situations, you can always create a bank of phrases using the My Phrases button. So the My Phrases button is simply the area where you would create phrases that are more applicable to you. You'll likely have your speech history already in place and some example phrases. Then I have created a couple other categories of phrases that I've been working on building up my own. So I created this dinner category, and if I wanted to, I could come over here and say, I want to add a new phrase to this category. And let's add a quick phrase there that I might use during dinner time. This is delicious. Then I would have that phrase available to speak without having to type everything out one by one. Now, if I wanted to add a new category, I simply come over here to the Add New Category button, and I create a different category. Let's call this our doctor's visit. In that category, again, I can add whatever phrase it is that I need. Just to get an idea of some of the options that are available. Oh, and I misspelled uncomfortable here. And keep in mind, when you're typing, you can use the on-screen keyboard, or you can utilize a traditional keyboard if you have one plugged into your device or computer, if you have somebody who's assisting you to be able to type these out a little more quickly. I just hit my checkbox down here at the bottom, or I could discard it on the left side if I'd like. And it gives me that phrase in place that I wouldn't have to type out when I'm there visiting my doctor. Now, you'll notice that there are options to expand these tabs. If I expand over here, I'd be able to see a whole range of any phrases that I've created or any categories. And this is also where I can edit those categories, rename them, reorganize them, or delete them. Same thing with my phrases category. I can expand that, and I can rearrange what those look like. I can speak the phrase here just to see what it sounds like, but the place that this most comes in handy is actually in my Speak button. In my Speak button, when I'm typing something out on the computer, let's see, hello, Dr. Smith. I can type it out here. And then if I needed something really quick to say, I can come right here to my Phrases button and find the option of what it is I wanted to say. It pops it right into place. So it's a little faster to be able to say those phrases without having to type them out one by one. And that's how your Speak button and My Phrases button work together. My Phrases button is typically there just for you to edit and create your phrase bank, whereas the Speak button is where you would go to quickly add it to your message window to be able to communicate. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.